We are back with Storm TV Seattle Beach.
Coming to you live from my backyard.
As you see, it is nice and brown outside. Like your face. I mean...
You just got me wet. You've got the camera.
And we have a surprise backyard. Let's go play. Let's go play.
That sounds gay. Where's the bumblebee?
Here is a very rare. Here. They are very rare. Let's go see the bumblebee.
I can't. That sucks. Oh. Don't put the camera away.
Very scary.
As you see, dramatic zoom in.